Welcome to the introduction of smarter digital finance. The digital age demands financial tools that are not only smarter, but also secure, efficient, and empowering to the users. Here, ONPASSIVE's O-Wallet emerges as a leader in this space. It's more than just a digital wallet, it's a comprehensive financial platform. Traditional financial systems can often be slow, expensive, and exclusionary. The O-Wallet aims to change this, providing a user-friendly platform that's accessible to everyone. It leverages cutting-edge technology to streamline financial operations. With O-Wallet, ONPASSIVE is at the forefront of a financial revolution, designing for the future of finance, one that is decentralized, secure, and inclusive. It empowers individuals and businesses to take control of their finances. Truly, the O-Wallet is a game changer, offering a glimpse into the future of money management. But if you haven't already subscribed yet, please do so. It all helps. And as always, please like and comment below. Thanks. Let's unpack the O-Wallet, your financial command center. The O-Wallet is packed with features designed to simplify your financial life. It's an all-in-one platform for managing your money, making payments, and more. From sending money to paying bills, O-Wallet does it all with ease and security. One of the key features is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive, even for those new to digital finance. The O-Wallet is packed with features but remains simple to use. Navigating the app is a breeze, making managing your money a seamless experience. Security is paramount with O-Wallet. It uses advanced encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your funds. You can rest assured that your money is safe and secure within the O-Wallet ecosystem. ONPASSIVE takes data protection seriously, ensuring your financial information is always protected. In today's digital landscape, security is non-negotiable. The O-Wallet is built with robust security features to protect your assets. It uses advanced encryption protocols to safeguard your data and transactions. You can trust that your money is in safe hands with O-Wallet. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. This means that even if your device is compromised, your funds are still protected. ONPASSIVE understands the importance of security in the digital age. The O-Wallet is designed to give you peace of mind when it comes to your finances. The O-Wallet's security features go beyond just protecting your money. It also safeguards your personal information. Your data is encrypted and stored securely, preventing unauthorized access. With O-Wallet, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your financial information is protected. O-Wallet makes sending and receiving money effortless. Whether you're paying a friend, shopping online, or transferring money internationally, O-Wallet makes it simple. It supports multiple payment methods, making it versatile for all your needs. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional payment methods. The O-Wallet allows for instant transactions, eliminating the waiting time associated with traditional banking. You can send and receive money in real time, making it ideal for urgent payments. The platform is designed for speed and efficiency, making your financial transactions smoother than ever. O-Wallet eliminates geographical boundaries when it comes to finance. You can send and receive money globally with ease. This makes it an ideal solution for individuals and businesses operating internationally. O-Wallet's global reach opens up a world of financial possibilities. Section 5, Global Reach, breaking down financial borders. The O-Wallet transcends geographical limitations, connecting users worldwide. It enables seamless cross-border transactions, making international payments a breeze. With O-Wallet, you can send and receive money anywhere in the world with ease and speed. Traditional financial institutions often impose high fees for international transfers. O-Wallet offers a more cost-effective solution, making global transactions more accessible. This is particularly beneficial for businesses operating in the global marketplace. O-Wallet helps you save money while expanding your financial horizons. The O-Wallet's global reach empowers individuals and businesses to participate in the global economy. It fosters financial inclusion by providing access to financial services, regardless of location. O-Wallet is breaking down financial barriers, creating a more connected and inclusive financial world. Section 6, Beyond Payments, the O-Wallet ecosystem. The O-Wallet is more than just a payment gateway. It's a comprehensive financial ecosystem. It offers a range of features beyond just sending and receiving money. From budgeting tools to investment options, O-Wallet has everything you need to manage your finances effectively. The O-Wallet allows you to track your spending, set financial goals, and manage your budget efficiently. It provides you with the tools you need to take control of your financial well-being. With O-Wallet, you can make informed financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. The O-Wallet ecosystem is constantly evolving, with new features and services being added regularly. ONPASSIVE is committed to providing users with a comprehensive financial solution that meets their evolving needs. The O-Wallet is designed to adapt to the changing landscape of digital finance. Section 7. O-Wallet versus the rest, a league of its own. While there are other digital wallets available, the O-Wallet stands out from the crowd. Its comprehensive features, robust security, and user-friendly interface set it apart. O-Wallet is not just another digital wallet, it's a revolutionary financial platform. One of the key differentiators is its integration with the ONPASSIVE ecosystem. This gives users access to a wider range of tools and services. O-Wallet is designed to seamlessly integrate with other ONPASSIVE products, creating a holistic user experience. The O-Wallet is backed by ONPASSIVE's commitment to innovation and excellence. The company is constantly investing in research and development to enhance the platform and provide users with the best possible experience. O-Wallet is a testament to ONPASSIVE's dedication to revolutionizing the financial landscape. Section 8. Real-world applications, O-Wallet in action. The O-Wallet's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of real-world applications. Businesses can use it to streamline their payment processes, reduce transaction costs, and improve efficiency. The platform offers a secure and reliable way to manage business finances. For individuals, the O-Wallet simplifies everyday transactions. From paying bills to splitting expenses with friends, O-Wallet makes managing personal finances effortless. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive design make it accessible to users of all ages and technical abilities. The O-Wallet's global reach makes it an ideal solution for freelancers and remote workers. They can receive payments from clients worldwide without incurring exorbitant transaction fees. O-Wallet empowers individuals to work and earn globally, breaking down geographical barriers. Section 9. The future of finance. ONPASSIVE's vision. ONPASSIVE envisions a future where finance is accessible, efficient, and empowering for everyone. The O-Wallet is a key step towards realizing this vision. It represents the company's commitment to leveraging technology to create a more inclusive and equitable financial system. ONPASSIVE believes that everyone should have access to the tools and resources they need to achieve financial freedom. The O-Wallet is designed to empower individuals and businesses to take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. It's a financial tool for the future, built on the principles of innovation and inclusivity. The O-Wallet is just the beginning of ONPASSIVE's journey to transform the financial landscape. The company is constantly innovating and developing new solutions to meet the evolving needs of its users. With O-Wallet, ONPASSIVE is shaping the future of finance. Section 10. Conclusion. Embrace the future with O-Wallet. The O-Wallet is more than just a digital wallet. It's a gateway to a smarter, more inclusive financial future. Its comprehensive features, robust security, and user-friendly interface make it the ideal financial companion for individuals and businesses alike. O-Wallet is leading the charge in the evolution of digital finance. By embracing the O-Wallet, you're not just choosing a financial tool, you're joining a movement towards a more equitable and accessible financial system. The O-Wallet empowers you to take control of your finances, simplify your transactions, and participate in the global economy with ease. It's time to unlock the power of O-Wallet and experience the future of finance. And for more information about ONPASSIVE and to join us, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.